And that's basically the same thing for alto level. So we are going to make a level, and after making the level, we are going to select each unique tile and make a tile set, and with that tile set we are going to be able to make all the levels that we want. So we are going to start making a tile. I'm going to start with the basic one, that's the one, and I'm going to create a new document of the size of the tile, that's 32 by 32, create, and there we have it. So in this case I also need to use the W, but I should have to tile this tile in the x-axis, not in the y. So how can I make something like that, because I just can't tile the canvas in the x-axis? What I can do is, for example, paint all of this with a color and use my crop tool and resize it, for example, 2 pixels. So that way I can differentiate the top and the bottom, right? So I'm going to start choosing some colors for my tile. I'm going to have some grass. I'm going for sure to change the color later. And I'm also going to have some dirt. So I can start painting my grass like this. If I don't want to go outside my tile, I can separate the layer. I can separate my palette in another layer, and I can choose activate the alpha lock on my tile. I'm going to paint some rocks. I'm going to add one more color to my palette. And now I'm going to modify the colors a little bit. I think that's fine for now. Now I can use my crop tool again and make this back to 32 by 32. Ctrl S, I'm going to save this tile into layer 1, create a document, file, export. So we are going to export the PNG also as one. I can close this, layer, import per layer, 1, and there we have it. So I can move it there. Of course you have to make the tile match the grid, like the corner here, and now we can repeat this like that, and I can now put the same tile wherever I need. Okay, perfect. Now I can also make, as you can see, I have a lot of tiles. I can make a group, for example, with all my one tiles. What's this? Right, this is the reference. I can rename that layer. And now I can make a really easy tile that is just selecting the darkest color of my tile 1 with the rectangle selection tool, making a 32 by 32 rectangle square like this, and fill that like that. So that's my 0. So we are lucky that we are making pixel art. In my case, I don't want to have a lot of layers, so I can just merge all the tiles in one layer like this. And if I just need this tile, I can select it, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I have it in another layer. I will lower the opacity of the reference 25%. And for now, I'm going to select this and make it this color, and also this. So for now, I'm going to work on this segment, and the other segment is going to be easier to make, I hope. So in the next video, we are going to keep making more tiles. We're going to finish the mountain, and see you in the next video.